Donald Trump's Attorney General Pam Bondi just said that she's going to be releasing some information connected to Jeffrey Epstein's flight logs tomorrow. That Donald Trump's name appears on Epstein's flight logs 7 different times. 7. Many of these flight logs have already been released, and these were connected to Ghislaine Maxwell's trial. I think it's so interesting how there's this huge conversation about Epstein, especially among Trump supporters, but they always fail to mention that Donald Trump was like best friends with this guy for decades. Like partied with him all the time, called him, flew on his plane. He spoke very favorably about him, said that he's a fun guy to be around and that he likes young women just as much as he does. They never talk about that.
Yes, President Trump knew Epstein. He admitted it himself. The photo of them together are from before 2003. In 2004, Trump not only barred Epstein from Mar-a-Lago estate, he also placed a bid on property, and won, in Palm Beach that Epstein was looking into purchasing. He did it out of spite. In 2005, Trump revealed Epstein's secrets to PBS CO's investigation. In 2006, 2 of Epstein's victims confirmed they knew Trump had barred Epstein from his estate in Mar-a-Lago. In 2009, Bradley Edwards, the prosecutor on Epstein's case, made a public statement that Trump was the only individual who aided in the prosecutions against Epstein. Per victim testimonies on the newly released Epstein-Maxwell documents, they reveal that Trump was not seen on Epstein Island or anywhere else with Epstein. This is where it gets fun. The newly released documents show that the FBI withheld victim evidence in 2009 and 2014. Who was the president in 2009 and 2014, Harry? It was Obama. Who was the FBI director in 2009, Harry? It was Mueller. Who was the FBI director in 2014? That was Comey. Who led the Russia collusion hoax against Trump? Mueller and Comey, Harry. Who was Mueller's key witness during the Russian collusion? George Nadler. Who was recently sentenced to 10 years in prison for pedophilia, dozens of images, and footage of children being sexually abused? George Nadler. Who was the Secretary of State under Obama? That would be Clinton. Who did Epstein's victims list on the pedo island? Clinton. Who found the Russia dossier? Clinton. Who fired Comey in 2017? Trump. Who praised Weinstein for being a great human being in 2013? Obama. Who was Obama's VP? Biden. Who was running the president against Trump? Biden. Who received campaign donations from Epstein's law firm? Kamala. Who was Biden's VP? Kamala. Dems protect the predators. That's so sad. Research and educate yourself, because if you don't wake up now, the victims of Epstein will never see justice for what they have endured. Come on, Harry.